Are you a high school student looking for a new high school and not sure where to go? Well, how about Yavna? Yavna is situated on a lovely campus and can provide all of your high school needs and more. What does Yavna have to offer, you may ask? Well, I'll tell you. We've got teachers, basketball, mock trial, art, more teachers, more mock trial, theater, guitar, frustrated teachers, students, poetry day, more basketball, girls basketball, color war, more theater, volleyball, senior skip day, Purim, more Purim, davening, orientation, whatever that is, more davening, and much, much more. So what are you waiting for? Come to Yavna today.